Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we are going to work on Ford Focus 2016 turbocharger replacement. Has got the check engine light on, turbocharger under boost. So we realized that the turbocharger is bad. Basically this is the used one, the customer bought it from the LKQ. So I'm going to show you what was wrong with that one. As look at here, this turbine that I'm turning, it's too tight. It doesn't have any looseness and anything. But this one was the one that came up from the vehicle. Look at the turbine. See how loose is it? And that caused this problem. The vehicle won't accelerate, no nothing. Check engine light was on. Let me see if I can show it to you. See how loose is that? So we're gonna replace that. In order to give you a quick guide, there is 4 bolt here. Take that heat shield off. Take the upstream oxygen sensor off. Put it at the side. Take this 4 bolt. There is 4 more bolts down there. Take them off, which is gonna be right here. And that was the other 4 bolt going to the catalytic converter. There is couple vacuum hoses and connections. You need to take them off. And this is the oil feeding. Take that off. There is 2 copper washers. Be careful not to lose them. Put it at the side. Then you lose everything. There is a hidden another feeding pipe down there. It's kind of hard to see when the turbo is on there. When you lose it out, take it off. Go down there underneath of the vehicle, or if you can access there from the here, and take them off. It has got a star screw, 2 of them. Then you can use right here the, let me see, what size is it? Yeah, it is T30, and you can take that off. Then this is the coolant hose, goes to the turbo. I put the screw on it to avoid any further leaking or something. So we're gonna put the other one back in there, and we should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.